Welcome to CNC Design Vault. Today, we are giving you a free 3D wall panel design. Look at this beautiful 3D grapes wall panel design. Every curve and carving shows fine craftsmanship. This modern wall panel can completely transform your living space.
This design is created in Aspire 9.5 CNC software. You can see the full detailing here. You can easily adjust the size and depth of this design inside Aspire software according to your requirement. This complete 3D design is available for you absolutely free. Just download it and use it in your project. Now come with me to the workshop. Let's see how we create this beautiful design on the CNC machine.
Here we are in the workshop. You can see the CNC machine carving the same 3D design on a large sheet. This is how the final wall panel is created. The machine has completed its work. As you can see, the design is carved perfectly.
Now the design is being given its final finishing. This step enhances the beauty and detailing of the carving.
The design is now being installed in this luxury home. Once fixed, it completely transforms the wall.
The installation is complete. You can see how beautifully this wall panel enhances the entire room.
The 3D depth creates beautiful natural shadows. It also blends beautifully with traditional decor. If you like this design and the video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to share it with others.